You hear it?
There's a bird in my closet again. We got it out. I hate this house so much. I heard it.
Come on.
Come on, Sockies.
It's
One bird?
scary. You want a treat? Let's go.
I was listening to Taylor Swift and then.
Not
Oh my God! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Stop it! It's gonna kill.
It can't kill
Here,
it.
I'll help him out.
Let Socks
Here, hold
get
this
it.
thing.
It doesn't scare me that much just because I was ready.
kind of scared to go over here.
Hey, I opened the
It was
window.
up there.
Where?
I walked.
Stop it.
I walked completely.
Don't, Hunter, because I'm like right here.
Come on, camera.
I don't know where it went.
If it's in my bed again, I'm gonna
No,
cry.
I think it's in your
No,
bookshelf.
I honestly think it's in the bed.
Here, I'll touch at it.
Will it attack me?
No.
Why would you do that?
I don't know. No, come on upstairs.
Levi, come on, stop. It's not gonna come out if you don't come.
the closet.
That unique. Oh, it's flying again. Closer. It's just chilling out.
It's just chilling.
Oh my God! Help! 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 Where'd it go? Is it outside? Is it outside?
No.
It's not outside. No, it's not outside. It didn't go outside.
No, it's on the floor.
Oh my God! I don't want it to hit me.
It came flying.
Oh my God! This is the second bird in 1 week.
Well, go.
I don't want to go over there. Did it go out?
I hate Ohio.
Eddie's home. Eddie's home.
It's okay.
Eddie!
I just
It's a bird.
Wait, for real, he's home? Yes.
So what?
I think I went outside.
There's a
It
bird
didn't.
upstairs.
No,
No!
Saki, go get the bird.
I opened your window, but it didn't. I don't think it was going outside.
I don't think it did.
Mama, Joe don't care. We already asked him. Well, their socks goes.
Go.
Oh, she's ball first.
My phone went off. Is it back there, Hunter?
Is the closet open?
No.
Just these.
It's okay.
No, sorry.
Just look back there, Hunter. Is it back there?
It's outside for sure.
Oh no, it's right there.
Get back!
Come here, come here.
No, get back away from
It's
her.
cold.
I'm scared.
It's cold.
It's a little bird.
Josie, it's right there.
Socks is just chilling out. Nosy, come here for a treat.
Josie, come here. Look, it looks cute.
See, I think it laid. I think it laid baby.
No, I think it's a baby. Uh-oh.
Are you serious?
Oh crap, don't let her jump up. It's back there. It's weird, man.
Oh, God.
It's not dead.
It's gonna fly.
Out of my head.
Hold on, close the door. It's gonna fly.
Yeah, I almost hit our heads last time. Oh no no! Oh no! Go outside! Go outside, birdie, 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 birdie! Go outside! Oh, Socks is getting it.
Socks found it.
It's the door. There's a bird flying in our room.
Where'd it go?
Socks is trying to kill it.
Oh.
Go outside!
I don't want her to jump out the window.
Look, she's not gonna jump out the window. Oh my God! Oh, I got that on video. It nailed it. It nailed it.
Oh my god.
Oh my God! I really hope I got that.
No.
No.
Socks behind it.
Socks is freaking out. I really hope I got that in video.
What happened?
It hit the window. It hit the window. It was like. Socks is freaking out.
Not gonna give up.
She knows it's back there.
Did you hear it?
Scared.
Oh, Socks.
What is Socks?
I think your Wii's on. How'd your Wii turn on? Oh, Socks. I get it.
Oh yeah, the Wii remote right there. You see it?
Yeah.
Underneath the bed.
That's loud.
I don't even see it. Oh, I see it.
Oh.
Oh my God! Oh, you see it! Oh, you see it! I see it too. Why is it still alive?
Oh, God.
Is it down there? Oh my God! Everything is getting ruined.
It's okay. Socks.
I have to leave my 12 hours.
Come on, girl.
Oh my god,
Get
where
out
did
of
it go?
Under my bed.
Get out of there. Come on.
Oh, she got it.
Oh no! What? Oh, Socks, come
don't
on.
let her go.
Nosy, nosy. No, not down there. Just
Where is she?
open the door. Go outside.
Socks!
Dude, that's awesome.
Socks!
Let's go outside. Nosy. Up here.
Elliot, stop.
What's she gonna do?
Just stop!
She's eating the bird.
I don't care, it's a fucking bird. Stay inside.
Well, okay.
She just went back upstairs. She's gonna jump out the freaking window.
No, she's not, Hunter.
Oh god.
She's not gonna jump out the window.
Wait, don't see what happened.
Shush.
She's back. Josie?
Yeah, I think it's dead.
She had it in her mouth.
Yeah, duh, Levi. Yeah, I think it's dead.
Where's Josie though? Yes, that's not for it.
This is the second time in 1 week.
She's crazy. Come on, she got it. Who's in the bathroom? Okay, hurry up. I have to pee. Sockies! You come to break for us!
Well, it's moving.